become a hero even if I don't have a quirk? I'm a normal kid without any powers. Could I ever hope to be someone like you?
Young man, you too can become a hero. Now.
So please, lend him your support! Help him fight for us!
Now.
Izuku Midoriya is carrying the burden of his power and trying to keep us safe! But he still has a lot to